Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, March 1st, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, we have a high of 81, a low of 67. It's going to be cloudy with a low chance of rain. Today, our only birthday is Chance Allen. Happy birthday, Chance! This is Dr. Seuss Week. We'll be celebrating this week with our fun dress-up days. On March 2nd, we'll have guest readers coming to read to our students. Snack money. Please make sure that snack bags and money are sent up by 9:30 each morning. If students are late, they are not allowed to purchase snack. Today's late duty was supposed to be Miss Hamlin, but I do believe she swapped with Miss Blankenship yesterday. Tomorrow, Miss Bolton, and Friday, Miss Arch. And then we have next week, Check, Lowe, Hogan, Curd, and Hatcher. Important dates. This week we have Dr. Seuss Theme Week. We also have Compliance Monitoring Week. On the 2nd, we'll have our guest readers on campus. On March 7th, we have Spring Pictures and ACAP Alternate begins. March 16th, we have tutoring ending. March 21st is Teacher Workday. And March 20th is Teacher Workday. March 21st. I believe it's the ACAP Summative. I think I have those backwards. But anyways, coming up soon, Teacher Workday, ACAP Summative. Send us your questions to the question box, and our research team will continue to work on those. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Shepherd Scholars.